Hi, this is QuanTribe. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at a very simple way you can use to send alerts from TradingView to Telegram. And the beauty of this method is that you don't need to code anything, you don't need to purchase third-party tool, it's completely free, and it will take you just a couple of seconds to set that up. So let's start doing that. So here on the right, I have my Telegram, and what you need to start with is just to go to the search and find bot father. So this is another bot that allows you to create new bots. And it's quite easy to create new bots in Telegram. Just click start for this bot. It will send you a list of commands you can use. Currently, I just need to create a new bot, so I will choose new bot command. And now we need to select a name visible on our bot. And you can use any name here. I will choose, for example, QuanTribe name. Let's send this to our bot father, and now it asks us to create unique username. So I will use something unique, for example, QN123 bot, and as you can see, it asks us that it must end with a bot. So I will send it. I will copy this to my clipboard. Okay, this is taken. Let's do something a bit more unique and send it again. And as you can see, our bot was created, and here we have our HTTP API token. And it's quite important to save it because you will need it later in this video. As a next step, what we need to do is that we need to know what ID is ourselves or the channel that we want to send kind of alerts to is. So I will find my bot that I just created. I will click on it. I will click start, and I will send like random message for now here. So, and now I will use an API of Telegram just to get updates from my bot, and this will show us what's URL is for our bot. I will go again to bot father. I will copy my token here, and I will replace this bot token placeholder with my token. I will click get updates. And it seems there is no updates for now. So let's go again and just send a couple more messages so it will appear. Let's update it again. As you can see now, here we have our messages. And here from here you can get your chat ID. So find this from and ID chat. And if you will copy this and will use this in your messages, in a PineScript, this will mean that you will get your messages directly from the bot as a private message. What you can do is that you can create a channel again, add this bot to your channel, find out the same way what is the ID for your channel, and then you can use channel the same way. If you needed to do this for multiple users, it will work kind of fine like that. So now let's go and save this message as well. We'll need this in the message to in our TradingView. So here I will replace my chat ID with my ID I just got from this API request. So now we have already our bot created. We know already where do we want to send our messages to Telegram. We have our chat ID ready. So next what we can do is we need to create an alert and configure it in TradingView itself. So it's quite easy to do that. Here I have my Bitcoin USD, and I have quite dummy alert. An idea for this alert is very simple, that it will just create kind of fire an alert the moment alert will be created. And this is what I want exactly for my test purposes. So let's click on alerts. Let's create another alert. I will choose a BTC USD here. I will choose my alert function that I just created. And now let's go to notifications. So here, to be able to send this to Telegram, you need to change a webhook URL. And this is where you need your API message to send the message. Just copy it here, and as you see, we have here bot token, and we need to go back to our bot father and use token that it actually provided us. I will copy it and I will place my bot token with it. So that seems to be done. And now let's switch to messages, and let's copy the message that I created already in my document, and let's paste it here. And as you can see, this is the JSON object, and as the first parameter here we have chat ID, and this is the chat ID I have of my kind of personal messages with me, and that I created before. And here on the second parameter, text, is actually the text I want to send as my alert. And as you can see here, I'm using kind of a couple of placeholders, so a ticker will be replaced with actual ticker of my symbol, and also price will be replaced with the current close price. And as you can see, it seems quite easy. That's basically that we want to do. You can name this, for example, Telegram alert. It keeps sending messages that it's not valid JSON, but I think it's valid. I think I just don't understand these placeholders with it. So let's create it and see if it works. And as you can see, one alert was fired just now, and so we have this message of our alert, and we have our message in Telegram. And as you can see, it's very, very easy. You don't need the code. You don't need to purchase expensive third-party tools for that. You can do it your own in just a couple of minutes. Let me know if you have any questions about this approach. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.